Now, most of the time, of course, I am doing content that is related towards motorcycle travel. But today I thought we would do something a little bit different, and that is I want to review this product behind me, and that is the Lifedoo Portable Fire Pit. We all know that camping two up on a motorcycle, well, that's pretty tough to do, because you've got to carry not only your clothing for two people, but you've also got to carry your sleeping bag, a tent big enough for two people, sleeping pads, and everything that you need, again, to camp for two people. It's kind of tough to do on most bikes unless you are towing a trailer behind you. And this product, the Lifedoo stove, it really is not something that you're going to carry camping with you on a motorcycle by yourself. I mean, you could do it. As we get into it, you're going to see that this folds up really nice and small, but it does weigh somewhere in that 16 or 17 pound area. So it would be kind of tough to take this with you on motorcycle camping unless you knew you were going to ride right there to the campground, set it up, and stay there for a while. I don't think I'd want to haul this with me day to day. However, if you do have a trailer, or if like Kathy and I, we've been combining car camping with motorcycle camping, that is, we take both vehicles, then a stove like this becomes a really good option for cooking while in camp. So let me go ahead and show you this grill by taking it apart. I have it all assembled here, of course, and I'm going to show you the pieces that go into it. Of course, this is going to be your cooking grate right here. And then there are 3 support pieces that come with the grill as well, right, to support your cooking grate or your pots or your pans that you need to cook. Right. Then inside we have a grill for your combustible materials, right, your fuel sources. And that can either be charcoal or wood. Either one will work in the stove. Right. So the body of the grill is made of a galvanized steel, at least according to their website. Right. It is all nice and lightweight, really simple to put together. So to take this grill apart, it is really simple. Basically, if you just tip it up on its end, right, there are some little grooves here, and each end comes off. Then if you lay these back down again, you can simply pull these up, the side pieces, and they pop right out. Again, there's the other side piece. And finally, on the bottom, this is your ash tray, or it'll catch your juices, drippings as well, so makes it a little easier to clean up after you're done. Right. So to set the stove up, we're just going to reverse that process that we just did from tearing it down. So I'm going to set aside the support pieces, the fuel rack, and your cooking rack. I'm going to pick up one of the end pieces. Now there's a couple of ways that you can put this together. There are 2 slots here which are going to make the opening wider, or the 2 slots here that are going to make the opening more narrow, again depending upon your needs. I'm going to set this up with a wide opening because I'm going to use some firewood here in a minute to see if I can cook some lunch. So I'm going to want to be able to get that firewood into the stove more easily, again, so I'm going to set it up with a wide opening. So what you're going to do is match up those tabs with the notches and the end plate. I'm going to do that for both side pieces. We're going to tip the end up, and then we're going to match up those notches with the tabs. Like so. Good. And then hook them down in. Great. And then our grill is all set up and ready to go. I can put in my fuel rack. Right there. And then my support arms. Here and here. And then this is going to be, again, my cooking rack. Like I said, I've left this open so that I have room to get wood in here. So I guess the next thing is, let's cut some wood up, let's get it going, and see if we can make some lunch. Okay, let's see how we did. Not bad. So I guess the question is now, would I buy this grill? Because the folks at Lifedoo gave me this grill to test out and see if I liked it or not, and then of course do a review and tell all of my viewers what I thought of it. And the answer is yes, I would buy this product. It retails for $89, and I think that is a reasonable price for a product like this. It's very easy to use, very easy to put together, easy to take apart, easy to haul around. Like I said, if you wanted to do it on a motorcycle, it's probably too big and too bulky for that. But if you're going to do like my wife and I, where we combine car and motorcycle camping, then this would be a great addition to your toolkit. Now, one of the things that Lifedoo really prides themselves on is that they like to turn their users into their designers. They call it UROD. In fact, this is the Lifedoo UROD Firepit, meaning the users are our designers. So if you find some problem or issue with this grill, they want to hear about it, and then they'll come in and try to make improvements in the next generations. And for me, there would just be a couple of things. One is a real small issue, and that is that no instructions came with this grill. I mean, it was very simple to use, simple to put together. I didn't need any instructions to figure out how to do that. However, it would have been nice to have a warning that I should not use this cooking grate without all three of the support pieces in there. See, I thought that because I was using wood here, that I wanted an easy way to get in and stoke that fire. So I left the third one out so I could get underneath that grate and throw in more wood if I needed to. That turned out to be a mistake, again, in that the grate got really hot and it started to bow on me. So I threw in that third support to stop that from happening, but still I got a little bowing in that grate, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to straighten that out now. If, like me, you like this grill and you want to check one out, well, you can do so by going to my website at www.livingofftheslab.com, and I have a blog article out there with a write-up on this grill, as well as where you can go to purchase it, including a discount code for 15% off to all of my users who are interested in buying this grill. A link to that webpage is also in the description of this video, so you can go straight to there to make it a little bit easier. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Ride safe out there.